there, train enthusiasts. Welcome back to Railwatch Chronicles, where every track tells a tale. Today, I'm excited to introduce the youngest rail enthusiast in town, Nathija Nansalu Karunathilaka, the heart and soul of our rail adventures. At the tender age of 5, Nathija, known as Nathija Bro, has become a sensation in the world of trains. He's here to share his infectious curiosity and love for all train things. Get ready for a delightful journey as Nathija Bro explores the fascinating world of trains with his dad. Today marks a shift in tracks as we dive into the captivating world of train spotting videos. Our lens is now focused on the bustling Maradana Railway Station area, where the heart of the rail action beats. Get ready for an immersive journey as we capture the rhythm and pulse of the trains passing through this vibrant hub. From the clatter of wheels to the distant hum of engines, join us in this mesmerizing exploration of the Maradana Railway Station and its surroundings. Sit back, relax, and let the train spotting adventure begin. Here we start with spotting S-11 power sets.
Yes.
These sleek diesel multiple units, manufactured in Integral Coach Factory, Chennai, have revolutionized passenger travel, offering comfort, efficiency, and style. They were imported to Sri Lanka through RITES, an Indian Railways PSU, on a line of credit extended by the Indian government in 2011. It has a maximum operational speed of 100 kilometers per hour. The S-11 power sets primarily operate along the coastal line, linking the vibrant cities of Colombo, Gala, and Matara, with an extension to Beliata, treating passengers to captivating coastal vistas throughout the journey. Additionally, they serve key train rides like the Sagarika, connecting Maradana to Beliata. Furthermore, these versatile trains cater to various suburban routes, including Maradana to Chilao, Polgahawela, Kurunegala, Maho, and more, ensuring seamless connectivity across Sri Lanka's diverse landscapes and communities. Committed to a greener tomorrow, the S-11 boasts significantly lower emissions and fuel consumption compared to older locomotive-hauled trains. This eco-friendly choice benefits both passengers and the environment. As your day of train spotting draws to a close, capturing the beauty and power of these majestic machines, remember that the journey doesn't end here. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep chasing the thrill of the rails. Until next time, happy spotting, and may your adventures always be filled with the excitement of locomotives old and new. Safe travels, fellow enthusiasts. Until we meet again on the tracks. Railwatch Chronicles, where every track tells a tale.